June 30th, 2020. Here I got a call for an AC system that's just humming outside. She said she ran it for 2 days and it's still humming. Still won't stop. So I obviously told her to shut it off. I have been there recently. It did blow a fuse on the inside furnace. And the low voltage wires was chewed up from a mouse inside the condensing unit. So I replaced the wire, changed the fuse, got them up and running, and it ran for a week, I guess, or so, and then she's calling me with it. I know it's an American Standard, a good size unit, probably a 4-ton. I did check the charge when I was there. But I don't think I did a video on it. Not every job I do videos on. I just ain't got time, or sometimes I can't set the camera up, or they're hovering over me, or whatever it is. But I'm going back over there now, and they got a problem. They got a problem today with it not coming on. So let's hope it's something simple. So hopefully she left it off all night, so the compressors won't be hot. You know, these people leave this shit on for 2 days with it just cooking away. You cook the windings, the motor windings and the compressor winding, you just melt the insulation off them. You shouldn't leave it. If it's not working, you shut it off. I always tell people that. The thing ain't working, shut it off. Alright, we're gonna get this cover off of here so I can stand it. How you doing? You got it off?
Yeah, it's off. It was just humming, so we turned it off because it was doing that for a couple hours.
Yeah, don't keep it on if it's not working. You can burn things out. I told you that, right?
Exactly. Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Look at a couple of capacitors. That one don't look so well. I'll check it. Let's see if we got any voltage here coming in. Shouldn't have any. Should be off. Off here. Check that fan capacitor first. It looks a little crusty to me. Zero. Let's see what we got for this one here. This one's 5. I don't mean it. That's 5. I wonder why they had that one there. That's 45. So we should be able to just use this one here for the 5, unless that's a 7.5. That's a 5. The fan one's definitely not working. That's a 5. I don't know why they got 2. I don't know why they have 2. So I'll take that red one off. I'll put these 2 back on the compressor. I know that's working. And then this one here. Brown should go to the fan, which is a little loose as a goose there, Mama. Put another connector on there. And then this purple should go to the common, which is the 4-prong. That one's loose too. I gotta put 2 new connectors on there. That's the purple. That should be the common. Purple should be the common. And then this brown is the fan. Let's see if it starts now. There's the hum, there's the fan, and the other one's the common. This is dead. It might not even have any power coming in here, I don't know. I should have power. Yeah, we got 220. Let's see if it starts now. We'll have them turn it on inside and see what happens. That's a 2-pole. Let's see if it starts. Alright, it's starting. I'll have them turn it on inside. I know the charge is good. Might have been a bad wire or something. Oh! Hello! You want want to turn it on? Turn on the AC. Turn it down. I did replace this wire. This wire in this casing. All the way in the house was, this was all chewed here. And blew the fuse inside. So you said it was just humming out there?
Yep. The fan wasn't spinning.
The wire I changed right here. The fuse was inside there. That blew. It's on delay. I know the charge is good because I checked it the other day when I was here. It was running. Yeah, she's definitely working. I did check the charge the other day I was here. American Standard. Alright guys, just left that job. I mean, yeah, just get the thing up and running again. I mean, don't seem to be any issues to me. The only thing that we found was a bad thing was a fan cap. So we just switched it over to the other cap and fired it up. Let it rock and roll, mama. Kick the can down the road. Guy wants to know how much for a new system. I said, you don't want to know. Run that thing until it dies and throw a new system in there. That's what I would do. Most guys are sell. They sell them a new system. Needs a new, needs a new cap. It's an R22 system. They'll sell them a new 410A system to make the money. I'm not like that. I just go around fixing things for people and just get paid. Quick $100. On my way to my next job. Kick the can down the road, mama. Kick the can down the road. How long is it gonna last? I said, I don't know. It's running now. It might not. Who knows how long it's gonna last? Left my crystal ball at home. You never tell people how long a system's going to last because then they can sue you. If I said, oh, the system's going to last another 10 years and it dies next year, he could sue me. So, how'd a buddy do that? Guy was buying a house, he went in there, there's a boiler. So he says, oh, you get another 15 years out of this boiler. He puts that down on a piece of paper for the guy to buy the house. Next year the boiler starts leaking. He goes and sues them and gets a brand new boiler installed for free. I don't tell anybody how long stuff's gonna last. I don't know. I'm not Merlin the magician. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. I just do one thing at a time. Things are broken, I fix them, get it started, and it's running. As good as it gets, mama. When it dies again, call me back. We'll give you another bill. If it dies again, we'll fix it again. So, Steve is working again, mama. Beaver's working again.